Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Crunchyroll not working and black screen problem. So let's get started our video. First of all, you have to open your Chrome and click on the three dots and now select the settings option here. Now you have to click on the privacy and the security option. Now at the right side you have to click on the cookies and the other data side, and here you have to just scroll down and now you will find here an option of see all site data and permission. Just click on it and here you have to search the Crunchyroll. You write here the Crunchyroll, then you will find the storage used by this site. Now you have to just clear all the data and again click on the clear option here. After this process you have to again click on the privacy and the security. Now you have to just scroll down and find here the site settings option. Just click on this option here and now you have to just scroll down and here you have to click on the pop-up and redirect. From here you can allow the pop-up features for all site, or you can just allow for the Crunchyroll. For this you have to just click on the add and now you have to allow to send pop-ups and choose redirect. We write the link of the site here. After that you have to just click on the add and now move on the third step. You have to just click on the system at the left list of this page. Just click on this option here. If this part not open for you, you have to must click before on the advanced. After clicking you have to just select the system. If you use hardware acceleration when available is on, we turn it off. This feature does not allow the site to work. Click on the relaunch. After doing this here, let's move on the next step, which is to turn off the extensions, especially VPN, and the block must be completely turned off to solve our problem. So let's click on these extensions and then click on the manage extensions. Here you will find the new tab. You have to just click off all of these extensions. So let me turn off all of these extensions here. Now I have done it successfully. Now let's move on the next step. This was our first method to solve this issue. After this your problem will be resolved. If not, you have to follow the next step. The next step you have to just click on the search bar and type here the Microsoft Store. You have to just open the Microsoft Store here. Now we have to type the Crunchyroll in the search. Click on the application of Crunchyroll here and now you have to click on the get option. This processing will take a time and after that you have to just into the application and then log into your account. You will be successfully watch the anime you want without any problem. You will not encounter any black screen problem. If still you are facing the technical issues, you have to use the other browsers including the Firefox, Opera, and the third one is the Brave browser. You can also use instead of the Chrome. So that's all for this video. Give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.